Good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss a solution of the question paper of Combined Geo-Scientist Main Examination 2026 Chemistry. Now, question start. Subject to type of question asked in this paper second, and according to the pattern of the question paper, we will discuss our solutions. Okay. Now question number 5a. A sample of milk kept at 25 degrees Celsius is found to soar 40 times rapidly as when it is kept at 4 degrees Celsius. Determine the Arrhenius activation energy for this sorting process in SI unit. Okay. Now we can find the Arrhenius activation energy. Calculate the Arrhenius activation energy. What is Arrhenius activation energy? Arrhenius activation energy is the energy or minimum required amount of energy for collision of molecules to complete the reaction, that is the formation of product. The activation energy is the required energy for the collision of molecules. Okay. Now in this question, a sample of milk is kept at suppose a sample of milk is kept at 25 degrees Celsius is found to soar 40 times rapidly as when it is the kept at 4 degrees Celsius. So here number of collision is also increases because of reaction is increases sourness. Their sourness is 40 times increases. Okay, 40 times. Now how to find the activation energy? So we can find the activation energy with help of the formula. And what is the formula? The formula is a ln natural logarithm k2 upon k1. Okay, k2 upon k1. Here the ratio of the k2 upon k1 is given in our question. Write the formula of the EA is the activation energy, R is the universal gas constant, and there are the two types of the temperature is given in our question, T2 and T1. Okay, T2 and T1 and divided by T1 into T2. Right? Now here T1 is equal to 4 degrees Celsius plus 273 Kelvin. We will first convert it into the Kelvin. The 277 Kelvin and T2. T2 is the 25 degrees Celsius and after the Kelvin 298. Okay. Now put the value in the above equation and solve it. So for the calculation, solve this log n. What is the value of K2 upon K1 is 40 is equal to activation energy EA upon what is the value of gas constant 8.314. It is the value of the universal gas constant R and T2 minus T1. What is the value of T2? T2 is the 298 Kelvin. So we will put here 298 minus 277. Okay, now multiply 277 into 298. Okay, now after the calculation we will get taking the natural logarithm of the 40, 3.689 is equal to EA is the activation energy and 8.314 and solve this equation. We will get here 2.54 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. Now rearrange the equation because we will get the EA value of the activation energy. So we have to rearrange the equation and EA is equal to approx 120.8 kilojoule per mole. It is the unit of the activation energy. So that means our activation energy for the milk sample at given temperature will be 120.8 kilojoule per mole. That is our answer, and you can calculate with the help of this formula. Okay, thank you.